P, my friend. Delicious. I feel so sorry for Pudgy right now. Mimi, breathe. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I need a break. I need to stop looking at comments.